On this particular video, this is going to be our introduction to web scraping. So what exactly is web scraping? I have it right here. And it says it's the process of using bots to extract content and data from a website. And so this is something that a lot of companies use. And Google does this also, right? Like when you put in, you look up something on Google, and basically what happens is they're scraping all these sites and bringing in the information. And so, yeah, that is what web scraping is. And usually every website has uh, is a file that says, or basically tells you what's okay to scrape and not scrape. And so let me show you that real quick, actually. Let's go. I think LinkedIn. Oh, by the way, to do it, you have to go after the .com and put a slash robots.txt. And this is going to be the file that's going to show you if it's okay to actually web scrape. I'm pretty sure I remember LinkedIn was not a fan of people scraping their site. Yeah. um, and so, as you can see, they have a lot of disallows. Yeah, that is a lot. I don't remember it being that much, but yeah, it is a lot. User agent is basically the person or robot. So right there, that's what it's talking about. Disallow, add contacts. So basically those are the endpoints where it has disallow. And so it don't want you to go to that endpoint and scrape anything basically. So I can't scrape the feed or update. Yeah, or they don't want you to. So it actually is legal to scrape web pages, but it's like to an extent. Like you don't post to web scrape after authentication. Like if there's authentication involved, you don't need to be scraping um, after you authenticate. You also don't post to commercialized copyrighted content. That's still illegal because it's copyrighted. So if you was to scrape something from a web page and it was copyrighted, yeah, that's a no-go. Let's see what Facebook has. Robots TXT. All right, so they have a lot of things also, as you can see. I'm gonna go to my site, see what I have over there. I have a streaming service, by the way. Yeah, it's new, but yeah. All right, so you put a slash robots. That's T. So I don't have as much, as you can see. But yeah. I might change that later. So that's a little introduction into the web scraping. As you can see, it's legal to an extent. You don't need to web scrape if the content is copyrighted. You don't need to web scrape if it's behind authentication. All right. So that is enough for this particular video. On the next video, I'm actually gonna get into showing you actually how to web scrape. We're gonna do this using Python. So yeah, I will see y'all there. Let's go.